Hi, I'm Dr. Jha from Remedies Clinic in Leamington Spa. Today we have a young lady. She doesn't want to come on the video, but she will talk about her experience following her ear keloid surgery with us. She had operations about a couple of months ago, and today we are just following up. She presented to me with knobbly keloid, two keloids joined together on the helix of her right ear, wasn't it?
Left ear.
Left ear. And it was operated by a plastic surgeon, and there is no way you can say she ever had ear keloid surgery. It looks fantastic. You tell me your experience here.
Okay, so from my first appointment, I was a bit nervous, but you were really reassuring, and you told me the process, about the healing stage as well, and what to do, how to follow up. And if I had any questions, I could just, it was like 24/7, I could message you on WhatsApp, and then you just answered all my worries. And the operation went really well. It was really quick, and it didn't hurt at all, which I was really scared about, but it was actually okay. And then after the follow-ups, the whole thing was just gone and just healed up really well. And even my mom says that she can't see it anymore, and that was the biggest insecurity of mine. But now I can put my hair up, I don't care anymore. I can put certain hairstyles and not worry about hiding it all the time. So yeah.
Good. So you feel confident now?
Yeah.
Okay. So what made you to choose us?
At first I was looking online, I was comparing a lot of the reviews, and your review was just really good, a lot of stars, I'll be honest. And I was just comparing them, and after the consultation I think it went really well, and so I decided to come here, even though it's a bit far from where I live, but I don't mind travelling to a really good clinic.
Thank you. So you come from Birmingham. I know there is clinic in Birmingham. They also do
keloid. There was, yeah.
Yes.
But I didn't choose him because I just didn't feel comfortable with that clinic.
Right, okay. Thank you. I'm going to share the before and after image, how her keloid was, and that will give you insight what sort of results you're going to achieve. Thank you again. Take care. God bless.